Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, it helps me out a lot and I really appreciate it. Thank you. Today we're going to be doing a beauty haul. I just got home. I filmed the look that you're seeing earlier using my new Urban Decay Born to Run palette. So if you want to check that out, I'll link that down below. So we went out to eat and then we went to the movies. And then we got home and watched fireworks for a little bit, so that's why I have a sweater on now. But and I also smell like campfire, which I don't really like that smell in my hair, but I'm not going to wash my hair again, so at least not for a while. But yeah, we're going to do a little bit of a beauty haul because I've got kind of a collection here again, and I just want to go ahead and show you the new things that I have picked up. That way I can get them put away and start using them. So let me organize here and figure out what I want to go through first. Okay, so the first products I'm going to go over are ones that I picked up at TJ Maxx, of course. I always got to make my rounds there. I go there like once or twice a week, and I know that seems excessive, but they're always getting things in. You just never know what you're going to find. And I never really go there looking for something specific, but like I said, you just never know what you're going to find. So you might as well go check it out every now and then. The cat hair, I tell you. Alright, so the first thing I picked up was the CHI, it's the Iron Guard. So I usually will spray this on my hair before I flat iron it or curl it. Love this stuff, and I'm almost out, and this is $11.99 compared to $18. So, I don't know, I just like that. And then I picked up 2 new packets of makeup wipe removers, face cleaners, whatever you want to use them for. Both of them are $3.99. So the reason why I bought 2 of them is because I've been trying to get 2 of everything. Well, not everything, but I want to have stuff in here where I film, and then I want to have stuff over in my other vanity area where sometimes I get ready at. So that way I don't have to run back and forth between there and here. So I got 2 of those, and then they had a Glam Grow. They have a Glam Glow product that I haven't seen there before. I usually will get the stuff that they have just because I like it. So, and this one was $49.99, which was kind of high, but I really have been wanting to try this, so I went ahead and bought it. And it says compared at $79, so you save like $30. So, and it says it's the Gravity Mud Firming Treatment. Firm, lift, tight, and tone mask. And I guess this is the one that like goes on white and then turns silver, and it comes with a little applicator as well, so it always comes in handy. Yeah, that's good. It's still sealed, so maybe we'll try this out one day. I know you probably already have seen it before, but whatever, I don't care. That goes in the recycling. And then I picked up the, I'm not sure how you pronounce this brand. I think it's Bosca? Boscia, that's what it is. I picked up the Boscia, I'm not going to pronounce that, Swirl 2-part gel and cream deep hydration moisturizer. I will admit to you right now that I did not really read this at the store. I thought that it was a mask, and I will use it like a mask because I wore it the other night, and when I put it on I realized it was a moisturizer because I was looking to see how long you leave it on for, and that's when I realized it was a moisturizer. And I decided, okay, well, we'll just use it as a moisturizer. Now, I might have put too much on, but it like started to like ball up after a couple hours, so I ended up wiping it off anyway. So I think I'll just use it as like a deep hydration mask and like wipe it off after like 20 minutes, but yeah, I wish I would have read that because I normally don't buy moisturizers unless they're like something I've been wanting to try, but I just kind of like to stick with masks. And then I have moisturizers at home that I like already. So this is $14.99 compared to $22. Comes with another little applicator, and it did get like a little mixed up on the way home when it got baked. Camera's being such a brat. That's what it looks like on the inside right now. So yeah, like I said, I have dug into it already. It smells okay. Alright, so then the last product that I got was this Peter Thomas Roth So it says that it's the Camu 30X Vitamin C brightening cleansing powder. So it's water activated dual purpose cleanser and exfoliator, clears skin, surface pores of dirt, oil, and impurities. Bamboo and rice powder gently exfoliates. Baltic amber energizes and polishes. Like I said, again, I normally don't pick up cleansers either because I have stuff at home that I like to use already. But I do have the Boscia stuff like this in the powder, and I really like that. So I was like, well, let's try this one out. So I did use this the other day, and I don't like it as much as I like the Boscia, but I do have a bunch of stuff in this brand that I do like already. So we'll keep trying it out and see what I think. You know what? I should have showed you this. I don't know why I put that stuff back in the packaging. And it's got like this lid, which is nicer than the other brand. So then you just open that up, pour it in your hand, put a little bit of water in it, massage it, and then put it on your face, wash it off, call it good. Yeah, I don't know why I put everything back in the soap box. I picked up some of the Morphe stuff through Ulta, so I got their continuous setting spray. I've used this a couple times. I love it. It smells really good. And then I've tried out their Morphe eyelid primer, and so far so good. And then I got both of their sponges, and I don't remember the names of the sponges, but I also used them in the video for this look, so that's why they're a little dirty right now. They're in my need to clean pile here. And then Bite Beauty has their Amuse Bouche lipstick line for the astrology. So I picked up the Cancer one because that is my sign. And that is what I have on my lips right now. It's really cute. I can actually get rid of that packaging now. So we'll just take it out here. That's what it looks like here. I think I bought this with the Morphe stuff to round out my purchase so I could get free shipping. So it's the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Scented Eyeshadow Palette. And the initial smell is good, but then like the after smell is not so good. So like I get that peach, and then like once I like breathe it in, then I'm like, I don't really care for that. And I'm not going to tell you what I think it smells like because that's gross. So, but yeah, I like the initial smell, but then after that I'm like, ooh. I haven't tried it out yet, so that'll be coming soon, hopefully. So stay tuned. And then I picked up the Urban Decay palette, also on Ulta, and I used my points, so I got quite the deal on this because I've been saving up my points. So, and that is what it looks. Got a big, big mirror on it, and lots of color choices. And like I said, this is the eye look that I did, so please check out that video. I'll put it down below. And then I also bought to round out my purchase to $50, I bought this Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. So I'm going to try out this sometime. I haven't tried it out yet. But yeah. Smells like paint. And I think that is everything. So stay tuned for me to try out these products and let you know what I think about them. I do have a bag of empties that's starting to pile up, so I'll have to do that soon. So that'll be coming up, so look for that. And that's everything that I have for you today. So please leave any comments or questions down below if you have any. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for joining me today. Have a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody. Nico's scared because of the fireworks, aren't you? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I built this. I'm gonna use one of these because my face is ready to go to bed. That was good. Oh, wow. That's a lot of makeup. Alright, we're gonna go to bed. Good night, everyone.